Namaste mitro, kem cho majama. Welcome back to my channel Riddhi Nagda. And guys, I am in Varkala attending the International Surfing Festival. This is the first time surfing festival or surfing competition is happening in Varkala, and I am there for it. There's approximately like 60-70 people participating. There are men's, women's, kids, all the categories are there, and it's going to be good. See, all the setup is ready. First step is beach cleanup. So guys, I will be volunteering for this, and there is a lot of tedious work to be done. I thought it will be like a chill volunteering, but let's see. The judges are setting up the boundaries. Everything is coming in place, guys. It's so much fun, but you can see a lot of people are already practicing. They're just getting used to the style of waves over here, where they are breaking, just basically getting to know better. A lot of people are waiting upstairs over there, getting ready for the competition. And that's like a flag off happening, green flag. For the first heats finally. The first 4 athletes are ready.
We are officially go. That's athletes of the round 1, heat 1 of the men's open being flag.
Hi Urbi. Hi Prakhar. Why aren't you all in your volunteer t-shirts?
So that we can scoot anytime we want.
They are the smart volunteers, guys. These are the people waiting for the wave, and the sea is completely flat.
Sticking to tradition, we have the waves taking a break just after we start the first heat of the 1. To have the International Surfing Festival here in Kerala 2024 edition, and back in Kerala after over a decade. The top 16 athletes in the men's open category automatically are placed in round 2. The remaining athletes battle it out in round 1 to meet them in round 2 and go forward.
There's a list of 4.
Nice. Yeah, I know it's cute, no? Thanks to her. But yeah, so there's a flag situation over here to indicate the athletes. So when the heat starts, it's for 20 minutes, and there's a green flag. Then when 5 minutes are left, they put the yellow flag. And when the heat is over, they'll put the red flag. Interesting. So that they can see it from the far. But I like
Blue
it.
score
It's
was
cute.
the single first national championships.
One good way.
This is a
So
3-man
Prakhar,
heat.
the flag bearer, how do you feel?
Blue, and the
Enjoying?
next one is a 3-man
Flag
heat
bearer
as
is a
well.
cool
So
title, man. I should put it on my LinkedIn. Flag bearer for
It's an international surfing competition
2024.
where you are recognized by the judges also that you are on point.
For my fast flag bearing.
Yo. And Gungat ma'am?
For feeding people.
Yeah, she's our amma. She had fruits, biscuits, everything.
What's left in your bag now? Anything?
I'll reveal it when you're hungry enough.
I'm hungry enough.
No.
Raven
Happy
and Cole is
birthday.
red with the point 4.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely. We'll see you tomorrow.
To see Yogesh's second place being celebrated like a championship victory. And we have the next heat up and running with the first wave already done.
Look at so many cameramen and reporters here,
Beach
over
Marshal,
there,
next heat all checked in.
everybody.
Beach Marshal.
These are the last kids for the day, Groms to be specific. And let's see if the red catches this wave. Whoa! Beauty! In last heat, and it's getting so hot. Dude, there was this kid, I couldn't capture it because I was doing some work and I forgot to capture it. In the Groms category, basically below 16 category, there was this guy called Kishore Kumar. Not the singer but surfer. Yeah, he wave pakda. He got like 9.7 in single wave. Mwah. He's like better than all men's together. He's done alone with that single wave. What a wave! Like that's the champion India is looking for.
AM start.
This is a wrap
Thank
for
you,
day
judges.
one.
Thank you, volunteers, organizers, everyone, for a fantastic first day. Your lunch will be served at 12:30 p.m. in the same place where your breakfast was. And this is Nawaz, your contest director, signing off. See you tomorrow.
That was day one over. I'll continue the vlog on the day two. Bye bye. Good morning, everyone. We are back at the surfing competition. It's the day two. I'm all set. Again, back with my flags. Yes, and the surfing is about to start in like 15 minutes. And we are going to witness the semi-finals of women's first. I'm really excited about it. So as we know, because women are only 8, so direct semi-finals is going to be there. And semi-finals is going to be for 30 minutes instead of 20 minutes.
Absolutely, we just watch White Line.
Also a special shout out
ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ
to Point
സർഫിംഗ്
Break Surf
ഫെസ്റ്റിവലിന്റെ
School for
രണ്ടാമത്തെ
having
ദിവസത്തെ
a free
മത്സരങ്ങളാണ്
water
പുരോഗമിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്.
He scored that 9.67.
Yeah.
That's his little brother there.
So guys, the red one over there is the elder brother who just got a 7-pointer wave. And this is the younger brother who also got a beautiful wave.
Just to for the ground 16 and under boys. And in the water, Tyan in.
The men's open category group 2. In this, 2 are already elite athletes who already represented India in some or the other competition, and 2 are the winners from yesterday's open category. Also have my friends over here all sitting next to me. Hi Molly. She's looking so cool now, guys.
It's like a good wave.
Whoa! What a wave! Finally a good wave to witness. These boards the elite athletes use, they can start anywhere from 50,000 to a couple of lakhs. So Red has faced some issues with the board and he took one of his friend's board now.
2024 here in
So these
Kerala.
boards
This is
are
the men's
really
division
expensive.
underway.
They are called
This
hard boards.
beautiful
They,
event
if
is
they
put together
poke
and
you in
thanks
the
to
water,
the
they can be
government of
fatal
Kerala.
also.
Have to support each other, so they will grow, we will grow.
So guys, that was my booth, but it's got like really hot. The surfers are in the water. So
Round
guys,
2, Heat 5 of the men's
interesting
open and in the
update,
water.
like really interesting
are
update. The Kishore Kumar
Kishore
from
Kumar
the young
in red,
the
Manikandan
Groms.
T in
He's
white,
competing in open,
Manikandan T
like men's
in
open also
yellow,
with all the
and
senior
Jeevan
players.
S
I'm also
in blue.
excited. I hope
And
to
with
see
us
some
for
nice
this
barrels.
heat is
Because he's
surfer.
been taking barrels and
Surf
barrels, and I'm
community
now
here.
waiting for some more
Welcome,
beautiful
Sanjay.
barrels. Barrels is basically when the water becomes a tunnel and you pass through that in between. Yeah. I've come in the Shamiana
7
part little
minutes.
bit, and I look like some comedy habibi.
7
That's what you have to
minutes
do
and 10
when you're,
seconds
it's too
remaining.
hot. You can't do anything else. So this is the new look I'm going to rock now.
A little more about that masters category, but Sanjay, that's smooth for a second while white. Okay.
Hey guys, sorry I couldn't vlog the end part of the second day because of what is it called, wind change and some problem with the waves. The last 2 heats of the men's was cancelled and postponed to the next day. That I just went for a nice dip in the water because it was too hot. I was burning. You all have already seen. And then I just came home and I wanted to change and get fresh. So this is me signing off on day 2. let's meet tomorrow because a lot of finals, men's quarterfinals, semi-finals, finals, women's finals, Groms final, everything is going to be there. So I'm really excited. Meet you on day 3. Hey guys, and we are reporting from day 3. Finally the finals day, the most interesting day I'm expecting because at sub-finals going here. So I'm really keen on seeing what is happening. The heat one has already started. It's already just 6:40 and the heats have started. And the waves look great. I'll show you around. Look at those beautiful swells.
I hope that 16 coffees in that little tiny mug. He's going again, let's see. Not quite finishing. 0.9336 and a 233. You need a 4.74.
1.
In third,
Why are you
yellow.
so excited, Rahul?
Because there are some
Combined
crazy
score
waves coming and some crazy
3.7,
surfers ready.
217.
Can you name some of your favorites on that?
You need a
Ramesh,
3.76 to
then
progress.
Boogie,
And fourth is
Arvind,
blue.
then
Combined
Ranjit.
score
3 of them are top
1.6,
notch.
1,
So we are going to-
1.6. You need a
So
4.93
there's a claim that this
to progress.
heat is going to be
2
way
minutes
better than
and
finals
30
also.
seconds
So let's look
remaining.
out what is coming in
Surfers,
store
the
for
next
you.
heat, you are free to
Are you
paddle
excited?
out.
100%. See, they're
You
already
know the
going into the
rules, stay
water.
clear of the surfers in the heat.
So the surfers are ready over
Your
there.
heat
are
will
also
start
crazy
back
waves,
to back.
crazy waves.
Yeah, I agree. The waves are beautifully crazy. It's like for us, they are like choking us crazy. Like if I have to go there, I will get, what's it called? Washing machine. Yeah, that's what's going to happen with me. But for them, it's like a blessing in disguise. So let's see what's coming in.
And that would better his score, so let's wait. Let's wait for these set of scores to come in. 0.5.
These waves.
And second is red.
For your reference, this boy over here,
White
Validating.
yeah,
in priority.
this is my friend Rahul. He also
Red
helps in
second
Moonwaves.
priority.
He's the instructor at
Blue
Moonwaves.
third priority and yellow fourth
Moonwaves.
priority.
See that?
We are staying with the men's open division.
Umpire.
Up next would be the quarterfinal heat number 1.
Hey,
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. He's also our friend Ila.
Yeah, it's me.
Hi. Are you excited for the day? Because a lot of finals today.
Yeah, a lot of finals. I don't know how is the waves.
Who are you waiting to win?
Huh?
Who should win today? in the
White
men's
decided
final.
to use his priority.
Men's final, who should win?
That's like difficult. But maybe like Ramesh.
Ramesh is
His
a hot
second
one.
wave was a 3-point ride.
Jamal, Suraj Babu.
He
Suraj
beat
Babu.
you on that to extend the heat.
Everybody's a winner for us.
Tough. Where?
ರಮೇಶ್ ಓರಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಂಗಿರುವ ರಮೇಶ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
Fourth is yellow.
Now I know why they were rooting on Ramesh so much. Two beautiful waves. He just made sure to ride only that much with some stunts in between that he can come on the
We
top
are
and chill.
halfway through this heat.
Beautiful.
Red sitting.
Oh shit. So guys, that is the hot favorite boogie.
Progress, and in fourth is yellow. Combined score 2.47.
Ayyo, Ramesh board broke.
For red.
Oh shit.
Fortunate.
7 minutes and 20 seconds. After he makes his way up to get his backup board.
Oh, he's back. He's back on the staircase again, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, Ramesh. He's like, fuck you, leash. So, guys, somebody lended me a cap. Thank you. Thank you so much. But yes,
So the finals
with
of
this
the
green
Women's Open
fan,
is underway.
Green
We
flag?
have in the water
yeah, we have the
Kamali
women's
P.
in water. It's the women's final. Kamali, Ishita, and two more. Since the waves were so big and hard, the athletes were getting washed out to the other end of the shore, and they had to come out and run back to their spots again to catch it. The poor girl is getting washed out so much that somebody had to go in to help her. She's not been able to cross through only.
3 minutes and 30 seconds. Winning the Women's Open final, Kamali P. Second place, Sandhya Arun. Well fought third, Ishita Maladya. And a strong fourth, Shrishti Selvam.
Now we are witnessing the men's semi-final. This is hectic. So people are really happy that it's Harish in the final. Look at his friends, all of them running to him. We have Kishore, who just battled right now semi-finals with a close margin he lost, and now he's going for the Groms finals. The other kids are already in the water.
Kishore Kumar in red, Tayin Arun in white, Prahlad Sriram in yellow, Sean Sethi in blue. All the best boys.
Look at that whirlpool. Look at those humongous waves and those kids surviving that. So proud of them.
Sure that he retains the title. Second place, Tayin Arun. Stand by for third and fourth.
The last second counts, guys. The last second. Like, Som was on the third position, and in the last second, Prahlad caught that little wave and he made the difference. That was like the amazing moment. Of course, I did not vlog it much because I was in the moment. I'm living in the moment. But I'm telling you, he's a tiny little boy who is getting washed out in those waves, but he made sure that he took that wave and got his third position. It's just the start for him. The winner was Groms, Kishore Kumar. He gave a tough fight, guys. Till the end, he was in the third position, just by a flick.
International Surfing Festivals. Surfing Festival 2024 is underway in.
Absolutely. The semi-finals did feel like
We are witnessing the final finale, the finals for the men's open category.
Srikanth, Ramesh, Sivraj and Harish.
Who is your bet? Mine is for Ramesh. This is such a intense game. when defending champions become winners, it's
1
good.
minute and 50
But when
seconds.
new champions come, it's amazing. And probably we might see a new champion if Ramesh doesn't do the good. Because then we'll have Harish as the champion. Let's see what happens. Who's taking this way? Who's taking this way? Red. That good turn. Yeah. Beautiful. 1 minute more. Come on, Ramesh. Oh my god, good wave, good wave, good wave.
That's the end of the heat, but stand by for scores.
Results are still being taken time. But that last wave by Ramesh is going to make a huge difference. Let's see where he places, first or second.
A last minute change, buzzer beater Ramesh does it again. The champion of the International Surfing Festival 2024, Ramesh Budihal. This is not the first time we've seen this. He did this in Mahaz last year, making a habit of it. Congratulations, Ramesh. Well done. Strong second, holding on to his lead right up to the end. Harish M. Well-deserved strong second. Shrikant D, defending champion, finishing in third. And Shivaraj Babu in fourth. What an amazing final, what an amazing finish, what an amazing event. Thank you all. We will see you at the prize distribution at 3 o'clock. And for now, we let Ramesh enjoy his moment. Well done, Ramesh! This is the second time you've done it. Buzzer beater Ramesh is the nick. Third time, sorry. Yes, absolutely, Mango as well. So buzzer beater Ramesh is my nickname for you. Defending champ, one of the best surfers we have. But tell us, is it part of your strategy or does it just happen by chance, this last wave win?
Hello guys, thank you for everyone being here. It's a part of the game, it's just what I do every day. I just start and then the flow, and I guess that helps and keep focus and try and see how it goes in the heat during. So you see how everyone does and then just track it in the line and then just wait for the final moment. And then you just catch you never know when it comes.
Absolutely, I think all the young surfers have a lot to learn. We've noticed.
Harish was second. And that's a wrap up with the red flag. But yeah, what a finish. What a last minute finish. Amazing, man. The defending champion kept his title. Yeah, with that we have the end of the surfing competition. So guys, fit check. We just took a shower and came back. And now we are here for the prize distribution. I'll show you the preparation. Said high tide came. This was the same. So now setting it up this side.
Of the inaugural International Surfing Festival here in Varkala, Kerala 2024. The first edition of its kind. This event has been put together and thanks to the government of Kerala, Kerala God's own country, KATPS, Thiruvananthapuram, the Blue Green Capital, DTPC, and under the Aegis of Surfing Federation of India.
ഞാൻ ഇവിടുന്ന് പോയതിനു ശേഷം ഇവിടുന്ന് നോക്കിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്നിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ അത്രയും ടൈറ്റ് കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻസൊക്കെ വിറ്റ്നസ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് പറ്റി.
A couple of years ago, I actually discovered surfing when I came to Varkala, and I didn't know that.
I'll be calling the top 3 on to the stage. Starting with third place, Prahlad Sriram. In second place, Tayan Arun. Ishita Malavia.
Shikha won this.
Second place, Sandhya Arun.
Sandhya only started competing last year, which obviously seems to be doing a lot of good work. Sandhya from Tamil Nadu. And in first place, Kamali P. Kamali is actually a bronze surfer who also takes part in the open category. In third place, from Tamil Nadu, Shrikant D. Shrikant is the defending champion from 2023, securing a third place here at the International Surfing Festival. In second place, also from Tamil Nadu, Mahabalipuram, Harish M. He was chosen fifth, but proving here that he is improved leaps and bounds, finishing strong second. The new ambassador for Kerala Tourism. He's not a buzzer beater because I know he plans this. One of the best surfers in the country, Ramesh Putihar.
And that was for you guys, the International Surfing Festival from Varkala by your friend Riddhi Ragda. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Riddhi Ragda. Thank you and goodbye.